The outbreak of the coronavirus in Afghanistan has shut down the New Year celebrations in the war-torn country. And the country has reported a little more than 20 infections, no deaths though. The outbreak in the country is a growing concern as the long war in the country has resulted in ill-equipped and inadequate healthcare infrastructure. The fact that Afghanistan shares its borders with Iran, one of the worst affected countries due to COVID-19, doesn't help either. Let's take a look at this report by WION's Mustafa Karzemi.
Since the start of the COVID-19 outbreak, many countries have seen a complete lockdown. Businesses, entertainment, travel and retail have shut down across the globe. In Afghanistan, the fear of COVID-19 has prompted the government to shut down the celebration of Persian New Year, one of the biggest celebrations in Afghanistan held annually. This is just one of the many miseries the people of Afghanistan face, a country that shares borders with the world's third most COVID-19 infected country, Iran. As the spread of COVID-19 gains more speed, the health ministry in Afghanistan has allocated a specialized hospital in Kabul to respond to the outbreak in the country's capital of 6 million population. Afghanistan's health ministry has announced that the total number of infected and positive COVID-19 patients in the country has gone up to 24, with the result of 30 other samples sent to the central laboratories still unclear.
شاید واقع مثبت ویروس کرونا کووید 19 در ولایت هرات به ثبت رسید که با تثبیت این دو واقعه تعداد مجموعی واقعات مثبت به 24 واقعه میرسد. در مجموع 390 واقعه مشکوک در لابراتوارهای مرکزی معاینه شده که از او جمله 24 مثبت و 366 منفی می باشه و همچنان در حدود 30 واقعه است که تا 24 ساعت پروسس میشه و نتیجهش با شما شریک ساخته میشه. تمام این 24 واقعه که هستن اینا تاریخچه سفر به کشور ایران دارن.
Afghanistan has been facing a serious hike in prices of food and sanitary goods. Afghanistan's government started sealing off supermarkets to avoid hoarding. However, the government has assured that there is enough of basic goods in Kabul to respond to a situation of full quarantine.
بسیار تاثیر خود زیاد کرده چون مردم هم از ترس ویروس کرونا نمیبرند دیگه اگه هر سال بسیار می آمدن که باز نامزادها بود به نوروزی سمنک می بردن گل تازه می بردن و دیگه چیزای میوه که گل می زدن می آوردن دیگه در امسال خودشان هر چیز میگیرن یک نفرشان می و دیگه در خانه خودشان تهیه میکنن بسیار کار یعنی بسیار از سالهای دیگه که ضعیفتر شده.
ما از ایران الان 2 روز میشه آمدیم بعدش کلا هوایی آمدیم چون زمینی رد نمیشه مرزها همه بسته راه ما الان 3 روز 4 روز میشه اصلا از بندر بوشهر آمدیم تهران از تهران آمدیم مشهد از مشهد آمدیم که زمینی آمدیم مرز افغانستان می چک کرده گفتم مشکل ندارن بریم.
The industries in Kabul have nearly collapsed as the customers are no longer visiting public places.
Coronavirus is a serious phenomenon, and the Afghan police has taken serious and necessary precautions to prevent an outbreak among Afghan police members. Also, we have directed all mass gatherings to be shut until further notice. Passport Department and other public services offices have conditionally discontinued their activities. Police mess halls have been converted into an individual system, replacing mass food service system, and we have created isolation and quarantine rooms in all police units across Afghanistan.
And with the result of the 20 people admitted beyond this door here in Kabul, we would see if the number of the positive cases would go high or they would get the symptomatic treatment and get dismissed as healthy patients. Mustafa Kazemi for WION in Kabul, World is One.